My dear students, job aspirants, I have come with a news to all of you, a happy news to all of you. The bank exams of 2026 have begun with the notification announced by the State Bank of India to its officers cadre. 1,500 vacancies are announced in the probationary officers cadre. I remember many years ago when I wrote this examination, there were only 296 vacancies. Now it is more than 5 times. So great chance to work in India, work under the label of the biggest bank brand in India. The exam major dates are there. You can shoot your application till July 8, 2026, but kindly don't wait till July 8. Shoot your application as soon as possible. Avoid last minute confusions and data congestion. Preliminary exam will be conducted in the month of August 2026. Mains will be conducted in the month of September. So you will get clear 45 days for preparing for the prelims and another 30-35 days for the mains. Just enough, I would say. So the selection process is there will be a prelims, there will be a mains, then those who pass the mains will undergo a psychometric test which is only of academic value, its mark will not be counted, then a group exercise and personal interview. Then you will get the job card. Now the age is 21-30, minimum 21, maximum 30. Visit sbi.co.in for all details. You need to have only a graduation, marks don't matter. So prelims examination, there will be 3 tests: test of English language, quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability. English language 30 questions, 30 marks. Quantitative aptitude 35 questions, 35 marks. Reasoning 35 questions, 35 marks. For each section there will be 20 minutes separate. So for 60, it's a 60 minutes exam with 100 questions carrying total of 100 marks. You need to score around 65 marks, that is the last year's cutoff for general candidate. So try to score as much as possible, not the minimum, but try to score the maximum. But this is the general cutoff mark. Now those who clear the prelims will be called for a mains examination which will have 4 topics: reasoning, computer aptitude, data, reasoning and computer aptitude 40 questions, 60 marks, 50 minutes. Data analysis and interpretation 30 questions, 60 marks, 45 minutes. General economy, banking awareness 60 questions, 60 marks, 45 minutes. General English 40 questions, 20 marks, 40 minutes. So total 170 questions, 200 marks and 180 minutes, meaning 3 hours. Apart from this, there will be a descriptive paper also of 30 minutes and there will be 50 marks. So total mains mark is 50. So 200 for MCQ objective and 50 for the written part of the exam. If you can score around 75-80 marks, you are in. But it needs very hard preparation. That is what is needed. Remain focused. If you are interested to join our course, join as quickly as possible. Many more exams are coming. This is only State Bank of India's probation officer. Soon State Bank of India will announce its clerical vacancies. Then other public sector banks will call for clerical as well as officers vacancies. Then RRB clerical officers vacancies. Then there are 5 insurance companies, LIC and 4 GICs. Their administrative officers and clerical vacancies. One preparation, many exams. 13,000 vacancies are announced by the Staff Selection Commission for its CGL, income tax inspectors, etc., etc. Slight deviation from what we prepare here, we will take care of that too. So if you are interested to join us, come as soon as possible. Do not waste time. Once you have decided that yes, getting a public sector government job is my aim, then start the preparation as soon as possible and remain focused. Let getting a job card in say 8 to 9 months time be our goal. I wish you all the success. Have happy learning time. May God bless.